Shalom, everybody. It's Rabbi Edelstein here with another installment of Rabbi E in 3, brought to you as always by Meor DC. That's MEORDC.com on the web, or find us on Facebook. Learn about our programs. Be in touch. And it's Friday now. I usually record Thursday night, so I'm trying to get this in before Shabbos comes. So I hope you'll watch it before Shabbos too, please, please. Now, last week I had a lot of viewers. I guess it's because I had that amazing cover of the Springsteen song. So I'm thinking, what can I do this week? Maybe a Mumford & Sons song? A Lady Gaga track? Okay. No music today. Just some Torah thoughts, which I hope will be meaningful. The week's Torah, and we'll get back to some music in another week. I have some Beatles songs I want to sing for you. But Lech Lecha is this week's Torah portion, the third one in the book of Genesis or Bereshis. And it's a very foundational Torah portion because it's the beginning of the Jewish people. Abraham is the individual who's the first forefather. And God begins the covenant, a covenant with him that will continue down to the present day with you and me, with the Jewish people today. And it begins with very famous words, which are really a kind of a early version of the Michelle Obama Let's Move program. Because God says, get moving. Lech lecha, me'artzecha, u'mibeis avicha, u'mimoladetcha, u'mibeis avicha. Go. Lech means go. It's a commandment. Lecha means for yourself or to yourself. Go from your country, from your family surroundings, and from the house of your father to the land that I will show you. And there God says, I'll make you a great nation, and you'll become renowned, and you'll be a source of blessing in the world. And that's this incredible communication, Lech Lecha. And of course, the land God's referring to is Eretz Canaan, the land of Canaan. Later we call it the land of Israel. Abram is just told to go to the land that I will show you. Now, there's so much in this very first communication. It's a paradigm of all Jewish history and really of the Jewish view of spirituality. We'll start with that. Lech, go. The word lech, like holech, to walk or to go. Jewish law. The word for Jewish law is halakha, to go. So God says, lech, you got to be going. And several times that expression is used with Abraham. And it doesn't just mean geographical, by the way. The simple geographical way of saying go would be say, go out, vayetze, go out physically from these surroundings. The deeper commentaries say he's being told, yes, there's a physical, geographical commandment, if you will, but it's a deeper spiritual commandment, lech, to go on a spiritual journey. And you have to remove yourself, and we have to do it ourselves, from the negative influences of our surroundings. Go from your country, from your family surroundings, from your father's house. It's actually in reverse order of what the geographical order would be, because you'd first go from your house, neighborhood, then country. It's backwards, because the great commentaries tell us Abram is being told to remove himself from those negative influences he inherited from all those surroundings in order to go on the spiritual journey that will be the basis of a Jewish people and that will be a source of blessing to the world. And God says, Lech lecha, go, and it'll be for yourself. Rashi says for your own good, for your own benefit. And there's so much to say here. It's a paradigm of a commandment. God has a will for us as human beings and as Jews, and it's mitzvot, commandments, to elevate ourselves and elevate the world. And sometimes we have to go to a land we're not sure where the ultimate destination is. The ultimate destination is the next world, a connection to God, and the Messianic era in this world, but in our own personal lives, we're not sure. We have to follow the commandments. But it's lecha, it's a journey for our own good into the deepest part of ourselves when we take the Torah to heart and live it. Lech lecha, get moving and keep moving. Let's move. Have a great Shabbos. On Shabbos, take it easy, but let's spiritually be moving.